She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that
Welcome
I
back,
was
beauties. D.Beasley here. If it is your first time, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for joining me, sis. I appreciate it. So here's the tea. I got a lot going on in my life right now. No drama or anything like that. I just legit got a lot going on. But I had to film this video because I picked up this new Juvias, the Warrior palette. Y'all, this packaging is everything. Whoever their graphic designer is, sis. I mean, they slay it every time. Every time. So I had to pick this palette up. It is like my neutral gold dream palette. You know what I'm saying? These are the shades. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I swatched a few here on my hand. This is the matte shade here, and then I swatched Adia, Bakwa, and Benmin on my hand here. These shadows are so creamy and buttery and full of so much pigment. It's absolutely insane. This is the look I came up with. Like I said, this is like a dream palette of mine. The colors, I love a good gold eyeshadow. I love a pigmented gold eyeshadow, and these colors just did it for me. So I wanted to do a look for y'all. I did not do the entire face. I just did the eye look, and I showed my lip on camera. But y'all, I had to come and do this video even with all my extracurricular going on in my life. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section, and I'm gonna leave the link for this palette down in the comment section as well, so you guys can pick it up. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts on Facebook, Beauty by D.Beasley, as well as Instagram. I'll leave those here in the corner. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Let's get into this look. Let's get into this look right now. Bye.
Na na na. Na na na. Sent